Welcome to Understanding Renewable Energy, Separating Facts from Myths. In this video, we will explore the exciting rise of renewable energy and delve into the common misconceptions that cloud our understanding of these vital resources. From solar power's potential to harnessing wind and water, we'll break down each source of renewable energy, including the promising technologies of geothermal, biomass, and ocean energy. Join us as we clarify the facts, debunk the myths, and look ahead to a sustainable future powered by clean energy. The rise of renewable energy. In recent years, renewable energy has become a hot topic, capturing the attention of governments, industries, and the general public alike. The surge in interest is largely driven by the need to combat climate change and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are hailed as the key to a sustainable future. But what exactly is renewable energy? At its core, it refers to energy derived from natural processes that are replenished constantly. Unlike fossil fuels, which take millions of years to form, renewable resources can be replenished within a human lifetime. This makes them an attractive option for sustainable energy production. Common myths about renewable energy. As with any rapidly growing field, renewable energy is surrounded by myths and misconceptions. One prevalent myth is that renewable energy cannot meet all our energy needs. While it is true that renewable energy has its limitations, technological advancements are continuously improving its efficiency and capacity. Another common myth is that renewable energy is too expensive. In reality, the cost of renewable technologies has dropped significantly, making them more competitive with traditional energy sources. Finally, some believe that renewable energy is unreliable because it depends on weather conditions. However, energy storage solutions and grid management are addressing these issues, ensuring a steady supply of power. Solar power, the sun's gift. Solar power is perhaps the most well-known form of renewable energy, harnessing sunlight to generate electricity. Solar panels, made of photovoltaic cells, convert sunlight directly into electricity. One of the biggest advantages of solar power is its abundance. The sun provides more energy in 1 hour than the entire world consumes in a year. Despite its potential, some skeptics argue that solar power is ineffective in cloudy regions. However, solar panels can still generate electricity on overcast days, although at a reduced efficiency. Additionally, the cost of solar installations has decreased, making it a viable option for many homeowners and businesses. Wind energy, harnessing nature's breath. Wind energy is another popular form of renewable energy, utilizing the power of wind to generate electricity. Wind turbines, often seen dotting landscapes, capture the kinetic energy of wind and convert it into electrical power. A common misconception is that wind energy is noisy and harmful to wildlife. While older models of wind turbines were indeed noisy, modern designs have significantly reduced noise levels. Additionally, efforts are being made to minimize the impact on wildlife, such as using radar technology to detect and deter birds. Wind energy is a clean, sustainable option that contributes to reducing carbon emissions. Hydropower, the force of water. Hydropower, or hydroelectric power, relies on the energy of moving water to produce electricity. It is one of the oldest and most established forms of renewable energy. Hydropower plants typically use dams to store water in a reservoir, releasing it to turn turbines and generate electricity. While hydropower is a reliable and efficient energy source, it is not without controversy. Critics point to the environmental impact of dams, which can disrupt ecosystems and displace communities. However, advancements in technology are addressing these concerns, making hydropower a crucial component of the renewable energy mix. Geothermal energy, Earth's hidden heat. Geothermal energy taps into the Earth's internal heat to generate power. This form of energy is derived from the natural heat stored beneath the Earth's surface, which can be accessed via geothermal power plants. Geothermal energy is a constant and reliable source of power, as it is not dependent on weather conditions. However, some myths suggest that geothermal energy is only viable in certain regions. While certain areas like Iceland and parts of the United States have abundant geothermal resources, the potential for geothermal energy exists worldwide. Innovations in drilling and exploration are expanding its reach, making it an exciting area of development. Biomass energy, nature's recycling. Biomass energy involves using organic materials such as plant and animal waste to produce energy. This process can either burn the biomass directly or convert it into biofuels. One of the biggest advantages of biomass energy is its ability to repurpose waste materials, reducing landfill waste. However, a common myth is that biomass energy contributes to deforestation. While it is true that some practices can harm forests, sustainable management and proper regulation can mitigate these effects. When done correctly, biomass energy is a renewable and sustainable way to generate power. Ocean energy, tapping into the tide. Ocean energy, also known as marine energy, encompasses a variety of technologies that harness the power of the sea. This includes tidal energy, wave energy, and ocean thermal energy conversion. The vastness of the ocean presents a significant opportunity for renewable energy generation. However, the technology is still in its infancy, with many projects in the experimental stage. Skeptics argue that ocean energy is too costly and complex to develop. While challenges remain, ongoing research and investment are paving the way for ocean energy to become a key player in the renewable energy landscape. The future of renewable energy. The future of renewable energy is bright, with continued advancements and innovations on the horizon. As the world seeks to transition away from fossil fuels, renewable energy will play a crucial role in meeting global energy demands. Governments and organizations worldwide are investing in renewable technologies, aiming to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Despite the myths and misconceptions, renewable energy is a viable and sustainable solution for the future. With continued support and investment, renewable energy has the potential to transform our energy landscape and create a cleaner, more sustainable world.